What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart an Xbox 360 controller, and that's it. Yeah, just take this apart, and there's certain tools that you will need. First, you're going to need the Torx T8 screwdriver. It's got the star with a little hole in the middle. You guys can't really see that well, but this controller I'm not going to need that because I already modified it, but for this controller I'm going to be using a Phillips, but it's the same exact thing, just Phillips screws. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the battery pack off, which I already did, and then there's going to be 6 screws, and then on a regular controller right here there's going to be a sticker, a barcode. And I'm going to warn you now, before you peel this barcode off, I'm going to tell you that will void the warranty on your controller if you still have one. So if you don't care about the warranty, then go ahead and peel it off. But if you do, then don't even mess with the screw right here. Alright, so let's get started. You just take out 6 screws. There's really no specific order, it's just see a screw and unscrew it. Get off. God, I had that one tight. You can see the controller starting to spread apart. There we go. Wouldn't connect to the magnet. 2 more. Alright, last one. Alright, so there's the screws. Keep them in a little pile, don't lose them, because you do need all 7 of them. Alright, so here's how to take it apart. You're going to put the buttons down, grab onto the gray mic part, and then just grab on with this hand, just grab like this. You're going to grab on like that, and like this. Oh wait, nope, never mind, scratch that. The top hand grabs the mic part, and then it just spreads apart like that. And be careful, because if you tip this part upside down, all the buttons will come falling out. Now, you take the motherboard out, you just grab both gray parts on the top and bottom. Oh, there are the springs for the battery, and then you just pull it off. And now you have the chip out. To take the analog sticks off, they just easily pop off. And I am not so sure on how to do this, but I will try to. To take the triggers off, you just push this little thing to the side and push it. See it? Yeah, I'm not the best at this. Alright, well, that's how you get it off. You just push this little white piece to the side, or black piece. Some controllers have them black. And then you pull, and then it'll push back into the chip, the motherboard. To take the rumbles off, you just simply pull them off. They just connect to little pieces. Oh, I'm trying to look at this through the camera. This is not working. They just connect right there. Same thing for this one. Just pull it off. Don't drop it. Then you have the main thing. Well, hopefully you guys can get your triggers off. I'm afraid to break mine, so yeah. Alright. There's the main part of it. So now let's move to the button side. You're going to want to peel the rubber pieces off. And this is where I got messed up putting it back together, was this D-pad part. That little circle part goes to that right there, and you probably just saw there's a button, the LB and RB buttons. Just pull the rubber piece off, and then be careful popping out what I'd do is just put your hand over it, tip it over, and let them all fall out in your hand. And that way you have all the buttons. Oh, and the Xbox button. There is a little black and clear piece that sticks a little. This is how it goes. It's kind of a tricky. Oh, I'm putting it in the wrong way. No wonder it's kind of tricky. Alright. It just slides in. And then it slides into there. Oops. There goes the bottom piece. Now let's show you how to take the D-pad off. For the directional pad, there are 2 screws inside of here. You see one screw right there and one screw right there. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver for this. So let me take these off real quick. There's one right here in the top right corner. Keep those screws separated from the screws that you put in the controller. And then there's going to be, if you can see, in a regular Xbox controller, not this one, the opposite 2 holes that the screws were in, there's going to be 2 little clips that you have to push together to take this out. And then you just, what I do is just give it a little bit of, oh, it's not easy to pull off. Oh, there it goes. You just pretty much push in the front, and then you grab the side right here and grab this side and just pop it off. And there you go. You have a completely disassembled Xbox controller. There's one case. There's the back. There's the front. Bottom piece. This I will tell you, the RB and LB buttons is a whole separate piece from the part that says Microsoft on it with your sync button. The way they go together is there's 2 little holes in this, and it just slides right on to 2 little white pins you can see inside. and then it's one piece. But I hope this tutorial helped you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, check out my channel, and yeah, see ya.